The oceans, essential to life and our planet's future. Understanding and protecting them has never been more critical. Meet the second-generation DataXplorer, a solar-powered, autonomous vehicle built to monitor and protect our oceans. Designed to be durable and versatile, Gen 2 DataXplorer features an enhanced roll bar and camera system, enabling long-endurance missions with zero environmental impact. From protecting marine sanctuaries and monitoring biodiversity to advancing offshore industrial solutions, the DataXplorer is driving real, measurable impact. Our technology empowers researchers, conservationists, and governments to make smarter, data-driven decisions. With real-time data and AI analytics at its core, DataXplorer is designed to be fully customizable through its modular architecture and the Explorer View platform, allowing it to precisely meet the unique demands of your mission. At Open Ocean Robotics, we're driving the future of sustainable oceans.